So what we're going to show now is how to add a PDF plan set to the project, right? We've been uploading all the CAD data and some of the other information from Business Center. This really isn't a Business Center feature. It's really just using the tools in Connect and then a simple drag and drop. And you can do this with Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoints, whatever file you have. This is the method of just uploading those files directly to Connect. So in the Explorer section, you're just going to click Add, and you're going to create the folder where you want the data to be stored. So I'm going to call this, we'll call it Plan Sets, and that creates that folder. Once you open up that folder, you can see the folder is empty. Then simply from, like your Windows Explorer here, I'm gonna, which I have off screen, I'm just gonna drag and drop that PDF set. So you can see I'm just dragging and dropping it, holding my left mouse button down, gonna left click, it's gonna upload those files. You can see this is a fairly large plan set. It's about 26 megs. This is the entire plan set of the project. So now when I click on this, you can see that it's basically the entire plan set of this project that I've been working on. All right, so now we can collaborate, do red lines, all that Connect collaboration, the capabilities that we have on this plan set, and have discussions with team members on what needs to happen for this particular project.